Welcome to Grammar with Lily. Are you ready to finish learning about the present progressive? When can we use it? What does it mean? And when can we not use it? To start, let's review. The present simple tense has two meanings or uses. Do you remember those? It can tell us a fact that is true now. For example, I have a pen, fact. Or it can tell us a habit that is true now. For example, I write English sentences every day. That is a habit. But present simple cannot tell what idea. An action now, right. Look, my pen is on the paper. What am I doing? I am writing. Is that sentence simple present? No, it is present progressive. Present progressive tells an action that you are doing now. This is the name. Progress means to move forward. The turtle and the rabbit are progressing towards the finish. They are moving forward now. Progress, present progressive, an action you are doing now. What can we do with the present progressive? How can we use it? We can describe a present action. What kind of verb can be the main verb, the present participle after be? An action verb. Yes, the rabbit is running. I am writing. The main verb is an action verb. But remember, we have two kinds of main verbs in English. Most verbs are action verbs, but some verbs are stative verbs. What are some examples of stative verbs? Be, have, like, or want. These are examples of stative verbs. They tell us something true about the subject. Maybe you are a student, you have a brother, you like fruit, you want a new car. But these are not actions. So can I use a stative verb as the main verb in present progressive? Can I say, you are wanting a new car? No, I cannot do that. Present progressive tells an action that you are doing now. So the main verb, the present participle with ing, must be an action verb. Stative verbs cannot be used in the present progressive tense.